Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pluto TV on Firestick step by step clearly. To activate Pluto TV on your Firestick, start by turning on your device. Navigate to the home screen. Select the search icon located at the top left corner. Type Pluto TV in the search bar. Choose Pluto TV from the list of search results. Select the Get or Download option to install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Pluto TV app. You will see the welcome screen with a button that says Get Started. Click on Get Started to proceed. The app will prompt you to select your device. Select Firestick as your device. You will then receive an activation code on your screen. Open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. Visit the activation website, which is pluto.tv/activate. Enter the activation code you received on your Firestick screen. Click on the Activate button to confirm. Once activated, return to your Firestick. The Pluto TV app will refresh automatically. You can now enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Pluto TV. Explore the various channels and categories available. Have a great time watching. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.